On the Super Home Tour this year, we're going to be doing some talks at Karo Lane here about prefabrication and why we do what we do. We're also going to be having a demonstration on how to install a window and recessed window into the wall. So that could be an aluminium window, could be a PVC window. We'll use similar techniques and show you how it's done. Every home that we do is always different from the last one. We get to show different techniques and try different things. Great thing about this house here is that we've got a recession plane where I've got to be under by 20 millimeters. So what we've done with this house is used a CLT mid-floor, which will reduce the height from a standard mid-floor down to about here, which helps us get in there. So that's pretty cool. This year we're going to be doing or showing you how to insulate your foundation better than what the new H1 requirements are. So come along and see how it's done.